Okay, my house not saved here, and maybe too too big setup for reflection. So this tutorial is meant for to open your Lumia ray tracing in hardware ray tracing with available here. If you do not know use it, you can see this reflection here. Okay, that's major tutorial. Okay, use this one. So if you want to use this one, you must to use your uh first one, start your Unreal Engine 5 and create a new project for ray tracing. If you drivers support, check this one, ray tracing. So your project is suitable for ray tracing. So the major point is, okay, this one not safe. So you can make your Lumia reflection more real. And you can change it fast. And the real-time shadow here. I put reflection too big, so it just crashed. So I will edit my video for this one. So you can get good result right now in reflection. Your reflection for ray tracing. And you can also make real-time lighting here. And in real-time lighting, you can see also reflection here. And you can change it Realtime. And 3S material is good for here. Okay. Yeah, here's a quick setup here. So any question? Is Creeper too hot? Okay, any question, you can give me your feedback in my comment.